crunchy snack that's hard to beat. Bananas are yellow, long and bright. Peel them open, what a delight. Oranges are juicy, full of zest. Their vitamin C is just the best. Grapes grow in bunches, purple or green. Pop them in your mouth, fresh and clean. Mangoes are golden, soft and sweet. A summer fruit that's a tasty treat. Berries are tiny, blue, red, or black. Full of flavor in every snack. So many fruits, all healthy and bright. Eating them daily keeps you feeling light. Fruits give us energy,